stars forget to shine at night. Yesterday's whispers fade away like sandcastles washed to gray. This love, this anger, these broken cheers, they blur like ink beneath my tears. This pain is a pin stuck in the map. It marks the place where our worlds overlap. So let's walk toward it, follow the thread. Surely I'll find you where the aching led. I don't know where this heart resides. Echoes living in an empty side. Scars once sharp now lose their fight, turning into shadows in the morning light. Every tear a compass needle spinning slow, caught in the middle. If we chase the place where it will fall, will we find meaning or nothing at all? This pain is a pin stuck in the map. It marks the place where our worlds overlap. So let's walk toward it, follow the thread.